Welcome back, it's Steve from 22nd Century Mindware. Again, looking at the visual calculator application. Went through many videos already, the basics, even creating a basic formula. So we'll actually go ahead and go a little more advanced right now. Go to more formulas, create formula. Now we'll create a more advanced formula. In this case, it's Ohm's wheel. This formula is already available for purchase and download, but I'll still go through the creation of it just to help and show the functionality you can add to a formula. So we have the formula name, Ohm's wheel, quick summary, electrical formulas for Ohm's law. Description, I won't go too big, but for calculating power, resistance, voltage, and pick some categories. Just make quick. Ohm's law. Could add other categories, electrical or any other categories that have been created. Get right into it. I might go a little quicker for this since we already went through it. Pick an image. Again, I already had this stored on here. Advanced. 320 by 440. Nice graphics. Now we'll go and create some of the formulas. So P the variables. P for power. And now in this case, it gets a little tricky. This is where a little more advanced editing comes in. The formula for power has different options. There's 3 formulas for power based on the other available things. So we'll put the first one, V to the power here, 2 divided by R, resistance in ohms. Now since we have another formula, what we'll do is put a semicolon, then we can add the next one. P also equals R times I to the power of 2, and it also equals V times I. So there we go, just added those 3 formulas for it. We're using the caret for the exponents, so V squared is V caret 2, or you can cube V caret 3, and so on and so on. And you could also do like V to the power of half would be V caret bracket 1 divided by 2 and close bracket. Alright, so description, power in watts. Again, we don't go too much details just for sake of time. Done. Now go ahead and move that. Just the way it's formatted here, we'll just put all the variables down here, and then they'll all be legible. We'll go ahead and do voltage, V, times I, semicolon for the next one, P divided by I, semicolon for the next one. And now another advanced functionality here. If you go down to the numbers and brackets, it actually gives us a whole new keyboard of different options, like sin, cos, log, ceiling, round, pi. That's a useful one there. And here we have square root, so we'll pick square root, bracket, power times resistance, use this again, close bracket, return. Voltage in volts. Quickly put the next ones in. Take a look quickly. NC is the same way with using square root and semicolons to separate them. Alright, we'll save that. And we'll go ahead and test it. So if we have B of 12, I'll just put in some random numbers, maybe not logical ones. Now, once we had two of them, we had enough to solve for everything. And so now if we take a look at the math here, the current is P divided by V, so 0.12 amps. Simple, works out well. You could have multiple formulas to solve for one thing. If we didn't know resistance, that didn't matter because something else will help solve for it. So that was a quick look at a more advanced one for Ohm's wheel. Again, if you use this envelope to send it to us, any formulas that you have to us, whether it's a new formula, an improvement on a formula with better graphics or better descriptions, you can send it to us and you may be eligible for free downloads of other formulas that you can use. Alright, thank you very much. Hope it's been helpful and keep enjoying the app. Thanks.